Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really adorable baby turban hat. I will have the pattern for this over at my blog, which is charmedbyashley.com, so you can go over there and get the pattern for free. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make just the hat, so you can add on your own accessories. But I will have instructions on how to make the bow, as well as this adorable little bun over at my blog also. So you can go over there and get those measurements for the bow and how I made this little bun. So if you have the pattern and you've downloaded it, you print it out, and then you're going to place it on your fabric against the fold, and then this is how it will turn out. We will not be using a sewing machine for this tutorial, so it's so easy, and you can just cut all your fabric and just sit on the couch and make them in front of your TV. It's so awesome and so easy, and they're so cute. So I'm using jersey knit fabric that I got over at Joann's, and I'm going to be sewing around the curve only, not the flat edge. So I'm just going to take my needle and thread and just start threading it through the edge of the fabric. I'm using about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, so of course don't go too close to the edge, because then you might break your fabric. So give yourself a good 1/4 of an inch, and then we will just do it every 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch. Just kind of pleat the fabric as you go along, all the way to the other side of the fabric. So once you get to the other side, then you're just going to cinch it up, and then you pretty much have your hat, which is so easy and so cute. And just like, I wish I knew about these when my little girl was a baby, because I probably would have made a ton of them. And yeah, so I'm going to take the cinched up part, the little pleats, I'm going to kind of press them together, and then I will take my needle and insert it on the other side, or the other corner that I sewed, just to bring it together in the middle. And then I will just start sewing back and forth, back and forth. I'll collect the like 5 or 6 pleats within my needle, and then I will go over the gap in the middle, and then again collect another 4 or 5 pleats. So I'm just kind of doing like an X pattern, like crossing it. I'm just kind of sewing like it a lot. just do it until you feel like it's together. And I'm doing it inside out, so you can flip it right side out and see how it looks. If you're if you're making this and you aren't going to put any accessories on it, then you want to make sure that all those little raw edges are sewn inside. So let's see how some of my raw edges are showing. So I can just go through the hat, pick up those little raw edges, and then pull them through to the inside of the hat. And then after that, you can either continue sewing on your accessory if you have enough thread left, or you can just fasten off and then just have a really cute, simple little turban hat for your little baby. Which, I mean, this fabric just speaks for itself because it has mermaids on it. So how adorable is this? So after this, you are basically done, but I've seen some people like to pleat the back of it. So I'm just going to pleat it up about 3 times and just tack it. I think it might be a little long in the back. I wasn't able to, I don't have a baby on hand to try this out, but this is what I've been researching it, and a lot of people do this. So I think it might be a little long in the back, and so that's why they do that. So you can do that if you want to, I guess depending on how it fits your baby, if you want to try it out. And then that's it. So now I'm just going to attach my adorable little bow or my adorable little bun, which is so cute. I did go over to the dollar store and get one of those buns that you put in your hair to make that perfect bun on your head. So you can get the baby ones for like the pigtails. So you can use a little one that is an easy hack, and then just cover it in fabric. or you can use tulle and then spin the tulle around into like a donut shape and then use that. But I'll have all the information over at my blog, so I'm just trying to fill time. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because YouTube sometimes doesn't like to tell you when I post videos. And also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. You can share all your projects with my little community that has been growing. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!